How to stabilize a video in InShot Video Editor. As of now, InShot does not have a built-in stabilization feature like some other editors. However, you can improve video stability by following these steps manually. First of all, download the InShot app and launch the InShot app on your mobile device. Now tap on the video and choose the video you want to stabilize from your phone's gallery. Now, once done, all you have to do is simply tap on the video at the below from the timeline. Then all you have to do is tap on the speed option available there. Then tap on the curve, and all you have to do is reduce the appearance of jitters. Sometimes simply doing this curve can reduce visual distraction caused by shaking. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.